What's up, everyone? I better make sure this camera's recording again. Fuck. Yeah, it's recording this time. Holy crap. I went by to the post office and there was like 10 miles long lineup. Everyone's trying to get the last minute gifts out for tomorrow. I was like, what the fuck? You know, that was last week. This week should be dead. Oh. I don't know. I'm going to try to keep the lens clean as much as possible, guys. It's freaking pouring rain out Christmas Eve. Oh, I never should have went down this hill. Oh. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, shit. Yeah. That was almost yeah. That's what happens when you only have front brakes. I ended up using the back brake on that hill when I started this side. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. I'm stuck. Fuck. What a fucking shit story this is already. God, there we go. Sorry, Lon. Okay. Jesus, I'm going to slide in this mud too. Okay. Whew. 5 minutes into the video, almost crashed. So, if you're new, you're just watching here, I'm out of breath already. Let me catch my breath, guys. Jesus. Wonder what kind of mud's down here. Whew. Oh, son of a bitch. That's what happens when you're 300 plus pounds and you gotta exercise. But if you're new, the reason I don't use my back brake is calipers C, so once I hit it, there's two pistons that push the brake pad out onto the disc. One piston, they're both stiff. We got one piston freed up. The other one, it just won't do shit. Oh, well, what do we have going on here? Yeah, we have to go on adventure. Adventure, yeah, why not? Oh, what's all this green shit? This is going to be like... This is all grass seed, maybe? Oh yeah, this is all yucky shit. Screw it, I'm already down here. Yeah, so I got, oh yeah, this is like, Tipsy and I came down here when it was all trees. Whoa, it's like ice. Jesus fucking Christ almighty. Yeah. Yes. Got a new caliper anyways, going to put that on probably tonight, but I think the bike might be, yeah, this was a bad mistake. Wonder if there's a way out yet. Oh. Oh, everything's so muddy. Why? Hee-haw! This is some off-roading right here. Wonder what they're planning on doing back here. It's the question. Oh, Jesus. Almost wiped out twice today. Get me out of this mud. This is some greasy ass shit. Hold on, guys. I'll be wiping the camera in a sec. Okay. Yeah. Whew. Okay. That was a mud shit storm. What the fuck? find me some puddles to go through. And road rash, I don't really have rain gear yet, but I got a towel wrapped around my seat where all the water kicks up, so shouldn't get a wet ass today. Yeah, so anyways, back to the caliper. I think I was talking about that over here. Every time I use the back brake, both pistons come out, but the one doesn't go back in. So the brake pads are shot. And if I use it, it slows me down or wastes battery power because the brakes stay on. So I ordered a new one from Daymak. And I gotta put it on. I wonder how greasy this shit is. Oh, that's kind of greasy. I'd probably be running that right up. Jeez. And if you can't control your big dog, why do you have a big dog? That's what I say. Or why do you take it out for walks? That dog, if he wanted to, he would fucking drag her all the way down the street. Oh, fuck yeah. She has the leash around her waist and the dog takes off. She's definitely going with it. She's not strong enough to hold that dog if he takes off, or she. Yeah, I don't think we're going to see Tipsy out today. I think he recorded his trip last night going up to the dollar store with his wife's stocking stuffers. He doesn't like the rain. I don't mind it. It does suck. It really sucks, technically speaking, but I don't mind it. Get a little wet, you dry. The worst part is wiping off the damn camera. Either that or Tipsy stayed up all night and got drunk and he's not going to wake up and come to work. One of the two. Oh yeah, I washed my cup. Puddle, 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 puddle. Woohoo! Yeah, I know, guys. I'm trying to wipe the camera off as much as possible. I just keep using my finger as a windshield wiper to keep it there. Hey, what's down this road? I think I've done this before. I probably would have had a video of the trip last night to the drugstore, but unfortunately when I uploaded it, I guess my settings were set to public. And I went into, because when you upload a video, you gotta, or at least for me anyways, you gotta go back and monetize it for the ad. So I went back to monetize it and it's already public. And I, what the fucking Christ almighty, god damn it. Sorry about the sniffles, guys. It's strange, I don't sniffle like this inside, but I get out in this helmet and it's a sniffling storm. I hope the speaker's working good today, or the mic. Hopefully I plugged it in, for Pete's sakes. Oh, goddamn Pete. Kind of nice not having a wet ass. Then we get Anthony's stuff, or Tipsy's kids' Christmas gifts. And they opened one of them ahead of time. The one was the Lego set. And I don't know if they tried to put it together or just counted the pieces, but it was missing 3 bloody pieces, all sealed bags, this and that. Like, god damn it, so tried to find out, and I guess because we bought it, you know, a little bit ago, not that long ago, but it's been discontinued, so they don't have the pieces for it or the set, so we ended up getting another present, which is attached. Oh, brakes. Oh, I hit the back brakes, my hand was out. Which is attached to my back right now, probably getting caked in mud and water, but it has a garbage bag on it. Good enough for Tipsy to figure out how to take it home. Oh, everything is so wet today. I'm just going to hide right here. If you see any fog, I'm just cooling the bike down. That's all I'm doing. That doesn't need to be cooled down. Goddamn pouring rain, Christmas Eve. If you're watching us from one of the sunny states, or you know, those places where you don't get any snow, we should have snow on the ground by now. By far. Not having snow on the ground Christmas Eve and it's pouring rain out, Jesus. Strange. I messaged Tipsy before I left and he hasn't even replied. Usually he'll reply, give thumbs up, or just type no. Going out. Give me a call if you're going out. Doesn't matter, it's raining out. I'm wondering if he slept in. Oh, my back breaks, Greg. You know well. Oh. Hey, look at that Christmas setup. Time is it? Oh, jeez. It's only like... Still got a little bit to go. I wasn't going to stand outside of the post office. That's for sure. Anything I have to mail will be mailed on the 27th. And it's actually warmer too. My phone's saying it's plus 5 degrees out right now. Now, just imagine throughout the day it starts to get freaking bloody cold, like -2 or -3 with all this rain. Oh, it'll be a fun ride home. Tipsy, he lives 2 minutes away. Maybe a minute on the e-bike. Okay, maybe 3 minutes if it's icy out. You better, yeah, Jesus, people. And where do you have your signal on going straight, you dumbass? You're going to cause an accident. Oh, I'm one to talk. Oh, you're not pulling out in front of me. I'm giving her. There you go. How do you like me now? Super Duper's supposed to be opening back up in March. Green light, fast approach. Yeah, I'm at 28. I think that might have, yeah, there we go. I hit it. Oh, shit, it's not where I wanted to go. Oh, I'm over here now. Oh. It's windier than a $5 blowjob, for Pete's sakes. Why am I gonna keep saying Pete's sakes? Goddamn crackers are in there. Oh, god damn it. The things people say. We're up. By the time you wake up, oh, we should be live right now too by the time you guys are watching this. No, maybe not. We're going live at 8. I'll probably publish this at 5 or 6 tonight. You green light, I like green light. Give her, go, 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 go. If you're watching this now, we will be live at 8 p.m. on TNT Adventures. Just type in Tipsy and Trippy's Adventures. It'll be a lot easier to find it. If you type in TNT Adventures, a bunch of other crap comes up that's not even interesting, so you know. Well, at least that's how I find TNT Adventures when I need to find it. The boathouse. Only one business that I've publicly heard on the radio whining for help. Oh, we're not making any money. Meanwhile, I know they're freaking swamped every day of the night. They're just looking for a handout. Been there as long as I can remember. The last 2 years you flooded out, you got a major insurance claim. Fixed it half-assed in my eyes. And I know you're always freaking busy. You guys do delivery, takeout. Oh. I don't know what this person's doing. But I feel like going around this person. Oh, she's a windy one. Uh-oh, I feel my ass getting wet. That means it's time to go to work. Yeah. Oh. I gotta check my towel. Why is my ass getting wet, for Pete's sakes? Oh, that's why. Yeah. So you guys can see, that's my muddy towel. Otherwise it's gonna kill me. Oh well, it can be washed. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna head to work. I'm gonna take this hill. Oh. Yeah. Rap. Oh, she's slick up here. She's better. Oh. Don't want to spin me 10 ways from Sunday. Rap. Okay. Yeah, I go to work, relax, buy some coffee or TT into TT, urinate in the station. Back brakes on. Jesus. Bad driver today, I tell ya. Roadie Rash uploaded a video. Hell yeah. Everyone was picking on him because his bike was covered in snow. And a brand new Harley covered in snow. You know what I fucking say? What's the big fucking deal? Really? Either it's covered in snow because you have to take it to work because your other bike's broken, or it's covered in rain because it's raining out. So technically speaking, it's sitting or at work. Let's say if Tipsy and I had brand new Harleys and we take it to work today. So we drove it in the rain, we got to work, it started to snow out. And it's covered in snow. What, realistically, what is the goddamn difference between a bike covered in snow or a bike covered in rain? It's still freaking water, for Pete's sakes. Some people are just freaking too... everyone's concerned about everyone else. Everyone needs to fuck off and worry about themselves, for fuck's sakes. I don't know if someone was bitching at me about he has a fucking iron 1200, I think. I don't know. But let's see if I wanted to spend 40 grand on the bike. If I had it outside in the snow because I wanted to use it, well, big fucking deal. That was my 40 fucking grand. I don't care if I spent 5 grand or fucking 200,000. Screw off, you don't like it? Keep your mouth shut. Goddamn fucking people. Piss me off. Everyone has to have their own opinion about something nowadays. Yeah. Okay, guys. I'm turning in for the day. Might do a video on the way home, especially if this stuff freezes or some shit. Because it might be interesting. If not, my plan for Christmas, if I do presents, I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but we will. Just stay tuned and see what comes up next. Hell yeah, make sure you stay tipsy, stay tripping, and stay doing what you love. Cheers, y'all.